Welcome, content creators. My name is Paul Logo. Today we're going to talk about how to create an Instagram post that you can use to market your burger. Maybe you have an offer for an burger. Now follow me along. I'll take you step by step of how to create the post that you can use to market your restaurant. Let's begin.
So we start, you come to new file. Remember, when you're making Instagram posts, you have to know the sizes of the post. Normally, these ones you can get from the internet. So just come to file new, and then you'll have here dialog box. You'll get the dimensions. So already we got them here. It is normally 1080 by 1080. That is a squared post. So I'll just paste here and also paste here like so. Now I'll just leave these ones the way they are, like that. Then I'll just click create. Now here we are. You can see the platform here. Now just like always, we have a white surface here. We are going to use, we're going to now create a background. Remember, we're making a poster for a restaurant. So we're going to make a poster for the restaurant, and you're going to advertise a burger or hamburger. So like always, we're going to use these free platforms like Pixabay, Pexels, and Unsplash to get our images. So I'll just come here. Here they are. I'll look for a picture of a burger. I just type here burger, and then I'll just come here. I think this is more appropriate, and then I'll just click like so. Then I'll just free download. Make sure in these platforms at least you have an account so that this doesn't appear, because every time it will be asking you to say you're not a robot. Now after you downloaded it, you go showing folder. Here it is. Now I'll just go back to Photoshop. Then I'll come. Now what I will do, I'll open the image somewhere. So I'll come to file, open. Then I'll come to downloads. Then here, then I'll just open the image. Now Photoshop 2021, 2022 have a very good way of selecting because you want to move, well, you want to remove the background so that you only remain with the burger. So what I do, I just come to here, select, then I just select subject. Then I'll give it a few seconds. It will, Photoshop is very good at that. It will just try to trace out the object that you want to use, as I'm doing here, like so. Now you see. Then after that, okay, there's a place here. I'll zoom. You'll press Control Plus so that you zoom, so that you see areas that might cause a problem, like this area. So I'll come here, and choose quick selection. Make sure you're in the plus here. Then I'll just make sure I pull this and rub it out like that. Now after that, I'll just come here, select and mask. Then it will automatically remove the background just like that. Then I come here, I click this, or I take this decontaminated colors, then I say okay. Now here we have the background is gone. Now you come here and right click, then click or select apply layer mask. Then here we are. Now here we have our object. Now I'll just do this. I'll click here, hold the left click of the button of the mouse, then drag over here, then just drop it here like that. Now here we have, then I'll come back to the move tool so that we're able to move the hamburger. Now since I have the handles, make sure you check this show transform controls so that you're able to adjust the burger just like that, just like what I've done here. Now I'll just place it somewhere here. Make sure your images are always balanced. Remember, there's that thing of third rules. You can use these rulers so that you make sure uh, your balanced the images. They always say that at least the image should cover should balance well in the canvas or in the page. Now place it here. Then I'll just put I'll press tick. Now here we are. If you look at the layers here, here is we have, maybe you can change this, double click and change it to burger so that we give it a name. Now I'll just drag it and place it somewhere here. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make a background, and you know there's something to do with food, so we might use bright colors. So I'll just come here and the layers here, but before that I'll click here so that this layer, so that when I click this layer like so, it will be above this. Then I'll name this as background like that. I'll name it as background. Then I'll come and click here, choose a rectangle and spread it to cover and try to cover the whole screen like that. It will normally pick the color that is here, but you can always change. I can just click here. If you want it to be red, no, that's red, maybe red, but I'll just leave it at yellow for today. Now I'll just place it down here in the corner. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to place the words. The words are here. Today special offer. I'll start with that one. So I'll just select this, copy, then come here, click here, click this so that I have another layer. Then I'll come and press T. By pressing T, make sure I come here and draw where I want the text to be. Then I'll paste today, but I want this to be in another form. Maybe I'll use this font in another time. So I'll choose something. Maybe I'll use this like so, and then press tick. I'll place it here. Then I'll come again, cover another layer, use text, do like that. I'll come here where I already written them. I'll put special offer, copy. I'll just come here and paste it like so. But I don't want this font. I'll select highlight, go back here. I want to use this Pacifico. Is more looks more calligraphy. Then I'll take it. Then I'll just place it here. Maybe I'll enlarge it by pulling the handles like so. So large, maybe reduce it a little bit like so. Plastic. Also this one, I enlarge it so that everybody is able to see it. Now the next thing I'm going to put is the price tag, but before that I'm going to create another layer. I'll click here. I'll come and click here, place another layer, but this time I'm going to use shapes. So I'll come to my custom shapes. Some of them you can download in the internet, although some of them are still there. I'll just come here, come to shapes, but okay. No, I'll just leave it like that. I'll just come and draw a circle like I'll not use that shape anymore. Let me just use this one here. But this time I want it to be red. So I'll click here so that it turns to red. So I'll come, I don't want a perfect circle, I want something like maybe like this. But I want it to be extremely red. So I'll come here, colors, here, click here like that. Then here it will automatically it will always come here. Then I want it to be dark red, so I'll pull it like so. Then I tick. Now I want to put text above this. I'll come here to layers. uh, I want to put another layer on top, so I make sure this one is on top of this. So I want to put text. I want to draw text here, but I want my text to be black. No, I want it to be yellow. So I'll make sure this one is selected so that it comes here. So I'll come and draw here like so. I'll come here, uh, choose the price, copy, then paste here like that. So here is the price tag. Then I'll just tick. But I want it to be so big so that people are able to see it clearly. What will I do? I'll come to the handles here, enlarge it so that people are able to see. So the next thing I'm going to put is the dates, the time that this offer is going to last. Now I'll come again here, top of this, put another layer. Then this time I'm going to draw a rectangle. Also it's going to be red. I want it to be red, so I'll make sure I selected red like so. But this time I want the rectangle to be twisted a little bit, so I'll pull it like this just to add a little some of the little bit of tuning. So I'll make sure I put it somewhere here. Then I'm going to put another text. So on top of, make sure it's on top of this. So I'll click, so make sure it's on top of this, and I'm going to T. Then I'm going to write. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Copy. Then disappear. Try to select it again. Here it is. Now what I'll do, I'll just delete this. I'll delete this. Delete this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to, instead of doing that, okay, I'm just going to put text again. T. Then I make sure it is, this time it is black. So when I draw like that, yes. Okay, this is giving us a problem. We're going to use alt. Then I press the right mouse button, then I drag, it will duplicate, then I'll just copy. There's another way. Photoshop has many ways of doing something. But now I don't want this font, I want another font. I'll select again, but this time I want this font. So I'll resize it again. like so, like so, like so. I just take it, I'll bring it here, but I make sure it's on top. So I'll come to the layers. I'll make sure it's on top of this red one here. Okay, I'll pull it. Now it's on top, but I have to twist it a little bit so that uh, they become aligned. So here now you give the judgment of the eyes like that. Then I'll tick. Now from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's how to make a simple uh, Instagram post for an offer about a burger for your restaurant. Then I'll just come here, file, uh, and this time I'm going to export it. I'm just going to export it as quick export as PNG. Then going to bring a dialog box. Maybe I save it here under downloads. I'm going to give it a name, maybe burger. Then I'll just save. So then if I come to downloads, I come to downloads here. Here it is. Here we have a poster. So that is how to make a simple poster.